How to apply for Amazon jobs online. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to applying for Amazon jobs online using a laptop, computer, iOS or Android device. So in this tutorial, you're going to learn how to navigate the application process from job search to submission. So let's get started. No matter which device you're using, the steps are the same. So first of all, you're going to head over to amazon.jobs, and over here, you're going to click on My Career, and then you're going to click on My Profile. So you will be redirected to an interface where you're going to create an account on amazon.jobs. So you're going to simply type down your email address over here, your password over here, make sure it lies under these categories, and then you're going to confirm your password. Or you can also use your amazon.com or Google account in order to create your account on amazon.jobs. So you can log in with Amazon or you can log in with Google. Or if you already have an account, head over, click on login. So once you have created an account on Amazon, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So there are three opportunities for students, learn about, search for, and apply to internships and full-time opportunities for students. Then we have warehouse and hourly jobs, search, open jobs, and learn about job opportunities at Amazon warehouses and stores. And finally, we have software document, explore job opportunities and what it's like to be a software engineer at Amazon. So you're going to click on view open jobs over here. Let's say we're going to choose the warehouse one. And you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So what you're going to do is simply select your country. For example, I'm going to choose view France jobs, and then you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So it says that work the job that works for you. So it's going to take a while to load. Meanwhile, you can simply give them a read. Or alternatively, you can also search for anyone that you want. For example, we're going to click on United Kingdom, and you will be redirected to an interface like this. So what you're going to do is simply click on join Amazon now, and then you can simply apply for the job. So every country has its own criteria, so you can choose any one that you want. For example, if you're going to choose the United States one, you'll be redirected to somewhere like here. So you're going to click on search warehouse jobs near you. Note that every country will have a different interface, but the process is the same. So then what you're going to do is simply, search for various jobs. You're going to type down the zip code or the city. You can also use the current location. So for example, if you're going to search for any city over here, let's say we're going to click on this one, and then you're going to head over, click on next, and then you can select the hours in a week. For example, let's say 20, then you're going to click on next again. So there are various questions that you're going to answer. Which times work best for you? We're going to say daytime, click on next. And now it says, how long are you planning to work at Amazon? Regular, more than 3 months. And then you're going to click on next. And now it says, when can you start working? As soon as possible. Click on done. And after that, they're going to list various jobs for you. Like you can see, there's a job over here. So you're going to click on this specific job. You can select various jobs. And over here, you'll be able to see all of the information about the job overview, duties and responsibility, and everything that you need to know about the job. You can simply select your work shift over here. You can simply select any of these and head over, click on apply. But before that, obviously, you need to log into your account. And that's it. That is how you can apply for jobs in Amazon. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.